Hello everyone, this is another video on GitHub Copilot. In this video, we will learn what is GitHub Copilot and how we will integrate GitHub Copilot with the Drupal 10. Then we will discuss some list of use cases with some examples. So let's discuss and understand what is GitHub Copilot. Basically, it is an AI powered completion tool. It's a code completion tool which is developed by GitHub in collaboration with the OpenAI. GitHub Copilot is designed to assist developers by providing suggestions and auto completions as they write code. Now I came up to this stage. I hide my card credentials and everything. After putting my card credentials, I directly come onto this page. Then I will select an option from here. It is saying suggestions matching code. So I need the suggestions when I'll do code, right? So GitHub Copilot will show suggestions matching public code. So this is it. Allow GitHub to use my code snippet for production improvements. Definitely, I agree to it. Now save and complete the setup. Install the GitHub Copilot extension with Visual Studio Code. I'll use the Visual Studio Code itself. Okay. On my Visual Studio Code. How it works? Basically, it works as a plugin for integrated development environments, IDEs, such as Visual Code Studio. When a developer starts writing code, Copilot suggests whole lines or blocks of code based on the context, function names, and comments. And I will search here GitHub Copilot. Let me install this one. Free trial. Right. It is asking for signing to GitHub. I just clicked on it and the extension was asking to sign in. Let me allow it now. Authorize Visual Studio Code. Always open this to open link. Out is fine. So till here the integration part got completed. You can see now the Visual Code Studio is integrated with GitHub Copilot and we will get the auto suggestions. A content type name fragrances. I'm adding some content here. So if you will see here, I have enabled the module, and when I was trying to access any node page, I was getting this error. Okay, then I went to this recent log messages, and what I have seen here, this is this error is coming. Fine. So I just copy this code. I went here, I right clicked on it, refactor the code. Refactor. So refactor using Copilot, modify using Copilot, uh, modify using Copilot. I have just copied the error which I got in the recent logs. Let's go. And here it is optimizing the code by adding the add access check here. So now if you will refresh the page, refresh this node, the same node, you will not get any error.